Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a health bar to your game. We'll start by understanding its fundamental purpose and common visual styles. A well-implemented health bar is essential for player immersion and strategic decision-making, giving immediate insight into a character's current state. We'll cover everything from basic setup to more advanced features, ensuring your players always know their standing in the game world. Now let's dive into the core mechanics. You'll need to manage two primary numerical values, the character's current health and their maximum health. When damage occurs, simply subtract from the current health. For healing, add to it, ensuring it doesn't exceed the maximum. Visually, you'll scale a user interface element, like a simple rectangle, based on the ratio of current health to maximum health, providing a clear visual representation. Making the health bar dynamic greatly enhances the player experience. Consider animating the bar's changes, perhaps over a duration of 1/5 of a second, to provide smooth visual feedback. Employ color coding. For instance, a vibrant green for full health transitioning to a critical red when health drops below 25%. This immediate visual cue, directly tied to player interaction, helps convey urgency and impact, making the game feel more responsive and engaging. For more advanced implementations, consider adding features like segmented health, perhaps dividing the total into 3 distinct sections, or temporary shield layers that absorb damage first. You could also introduce passive health regeneration, restoring 1 point per second, or temporary buffs that increase a character's maximum health for a short period. Remember to optimize performance, especially for games with many characters, by only updating the visual elements when their health values genuinely change, saving valuable processing power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.